All was totally 12 and 9 was totally 63 came from different strata of Tamil society such as artisans and cultivators. There were women saints as well like Andal and Alvar saint. The poet Karaikal Ammayar, Tilagavadi and the Pandya king Mangaya Karasiyar were prominent female Nayanmar saints. The hymns of Devaram corpus, Nalayra Divya Prabandham, Periya Puranam, Tirutondar Tokai, Manikavasagas, Tiruvasagam, hymns engraved on the walls of temples are the sources. All were composed moving hymns addressed to Vishnu. They were compiled in the Nalayara Divya Prabandham by Nada Muni at the end of the 9th century. Nada Muni, who served as a priest of the Ranganatha temple in Srirangam, is credited with compiling this work, composing 4,000 poems. Periyalvar lived in Srivilliputtur during the reign of Kandayan king Srivallabha in the 9th century. The themes are mostly Krishna's childhood. Krishna is the hero in Andal's hymns. Her songs convey her abiding love for Krishna. Nammalvar from Kurugur, Alvar Tirunagari is now in Thoothukudi district is considered to be the greatest among Alvars. Nammalvar authored four works that include the Tiruvaimoli. Vaishnava devotees believe that these hymns distill the essence of the four Vedas. From the 12th century, the Vaishnava hymns were the subject of elaborate and erudite commentaries. The prominent Saiva poets include Tirunavukarasar, Appar, Thiruஞானசம்பந்தர் and Sundarar and Manikavasagar. Nambi Andar Nambi compiled their hymns into an anthology of 11 books. The first 7 books, commonly known as Devaram, contain the hymns of Sambandar 1 to 3, Upper books 4 to 6, and Sundarar books 7, and Manikavasagar book 8. Sekila's Periya Puranam is the 12th Tirumurai of the Saiva canon. It is a hagiography of the 63 Nayanmars, but contains an undercurrent of historical information as well. This collection of 12 books is named Panniru Tirumurai. The Periya Puranam relates many stories about Nayanmars and the miraculous episodes in their lives. The devotional movement itself is a great social transformation.